Hey guys, Zach here. Probably wondering why I am wearing a helmet. I went for a bike ride today, so it's safety first. Wear a helmet. So today, it's been kind of cloudy, as you can tell. A little bit of sun to the north. Um, but anyway, it's been kind of nice and a little bit of windiness. Um, Also, I went biking around, and I'm here nearby my home, and I just want to say that I caught a really awesome spider-like Pokemon today. If for those who play Pokemon Go, I I caught a Ariados, I believe it's called. Strange looking creature, but it looks really awesome. Um, so yep, that's just about what I've been doing today. Just going for a bike ride and searching for Pokemon. Some of the Pokemon that I've seen around my town I've already have, so I don't even worry about catching those. So, but yeah, it's been nice. Anyway, hope you guys catch them all and have a great day. See ya.